Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And then you know my rank is 26. Like, oh my god, I was thinking that is the highest rank like so far. Well, the event started by 1400, and yeah. Oh my god. If the event started by 1400 and it's now 1414. The first one is gonna be like 42,000, and he is a gold 3, not even higher than me in the ranked match. Oh my god, this is not a platinum, this is a silver, because the platinum has a gold star, and this is higher than this gold. This is platinum. And where's the superstar? Oh yeah, there is a superstar. Even point on the 2500. Yeah. Superstar 3 also 2000 only. And this is me. The number 31. Yeah. Platinum 3. Not bad. Not bad. Yeah, just kinda rares. Oh. Well, actually, they have the middle school art. I mean, yeah, the player is very artful, and we could consider it as a very good one. But actually, this guy is also good. The red dragonfly, like it's having plus 20% versus agility. The shot is weak, but yeah, 20% plus hmm, plus 5 should be 25%. That means, yeah, it's really really huge. It's surpassing 33,000 on shot, surpassing 33,000, and this is gonna be 26,000, 26,000 on power. So yeah, it's huge. It's very very huge. It's superstars like red dragonfly, but unfortunately he is Serbian. So I'm not going to have it because I'm only having a Latin, North Latin America. Oh my god, these players are great. Middle school, and this is miraculous Tsubasa. You can shoot it with lower powers, but going in still. Also, this guy is also um that miraculous. Yeah, yeah. This is middle school again, but I only have like 2,000 dream ball here. I can't afford it, but there is must be something cool, yeah, that you can even get in American team. This one, all team member get 28% with 5 agility non-Japanese. This is a very hard one. This is a very hard one to get. And yeah, this guy is also having the rarest one also. Yeah, 5 skill type non Japan ulti member all stat plus 28%. I don't know what to do with that. Mm. 28,000. This is also insane. They have middle school and world youth players. All stat plus 28%. This is also a rare one, yeah. Okay, guys, that's so far. The Easter. That's for the Easter extreme event, Easter moment. Happy Easter, guys. See you next time. Goodbye.